Welcome to the Abelard Construction Interactive CD-ROM. This unique presentation is the first of its kind, allowing our valued customers to learn about the services we provide to homeowners who have suffered hail damage following severe storms. If you are watching this, there's a good chance that your home may have experienced storm damage. Our goal over the next few moments will be to take you on a journey into our business so that we may provide you with the detailed information that you desire and deserve. Our purpose for creating this interactive CD-ROM presentation was simple. We have a strong desire to communicate effectively with our homeowners and answer any questions that you may have at all times. Our passion was to create a customer service tool that, number one, was informative, number two, a little entertaining, and number three, easy to use. After viewing this, we are certain that all of your questions regarding hail damage and the process for making repairs will be answered. We encourage you to go back and view this presentation as many times as you like. There are 5 sections to the CD-ROM which we will be covering. First will be a brief company introduction and a description of the severe storm and hail damage that hit your area. Second, we will cover exactly what our complimentary storm inspection is, followed by the details behind the insurance claims process. We will finish up with a complete description of your repair project procedure. This informative section leaves no stone unturned and is the most effective way at explaining to you the complexities of construction. There is also a bonus section entitled FAQs, or Frequently Asked Questions. Compiled from years of experience and information gathered from our previous homeowners, the FAQ section is a compilation of, well, the most often asked questions we receive on a daily basis. Okay then, let's go ahead and get started. Abelard Construction is a company dedicated to customer service and quality construction. Our team of dedicated professionals is on call to handle all of our customers' needs. As a proud member of the Better Business Bureau, we strive for 100% customer satisfaction. Our association with the National Roofing Contractors Association ensures that we provide the best product and services available. In addition to our daily operations handling our residential and commercial customers' needs, the recent hailstorms affecting our area have helped us transition into becoming the premier hail damage restoration company in the state. Working with customers and insurance companies, replacing roofs, siding, and gutters on storm-damaged homes has become our specialty, and we've now become the best in the business. Do you remember the day the severe storms hit our area? What a day! The clouds darkened, the wind picked up, and the hail started to fall, covering streets, denting cars, and damaging homes. This satellite imagery you see here is called a hail tracks report. With data supplied by the National Weather Service, the path of the recent storms that hit our area can be seen easily with digital coloring. The areas of dark pink were the most intense. It is amazing to see the path a hailstorm can create across the city, isn't it? Hail can reach speeds of over 120 miles per hour when falling from the sky. This causes serious damage to a home's exterior. It wreaks havoc on many types of roofs, siding, gutters, window trims, and patio decks, even air conditioning units. It may be very noticeable at first, or in many instances, such as with roofs, hail damage may not be so obvious. Left unchecked, damaged roofs will deteriorate as a result of hail impacts from premature aging and leaking. This is why it is critical to have your home inspected following a severe storm, and a primary reason why most insurance companies are serious about having damaged roofs fixed. And this is why here at our company, we pride ourselves on providing the best hail damage inspection around. Our customers receive the highest attention to detail by one of our trained field associates. Their goal is to thoroughly inspect your home's exterior for damages resulting from hail as if it was their own home. And the best part is, it's free. A complimentary service that our company provides. Our 5-point inspection process covers a detailed examination of your home's roof, siding, gutters, windows, and other miscellaneous items such as paint, screens, and even air conditioning units. Our trained professionals will begin by performing a thorough roof exam. We start by looking for damage to vents and other soft metals up on the roof. Hail damage to these items is usually most easily noticed. Next, we will take a roof sampling by executing a square test to determine the severity of the hail damage. A square test will accurately show us the number of damaging hail impacts in a 10-foot by 10-foot area. This gives us a good idea as to the amount of damage sustained throughout the roof system. Following the roof exam, we then take a look at your gutter system, seeking out any dents that have occurred from high-speed hail impacts. Aluminum and vinyl siding also dent up quite heavily during hailstorms. Vinyl siding will actually crack and puncture. This can lead to moisture intrusion issues if not taken care of immediately. Windows and doors, they're also susceptible to hail impacts. Dents to windows and door frames can lead to broken seals between the glass and the frame. That leads to frosting and fogging of the glass over time. Before we conclude our inspection, your field associate closely looks at hail damage to paint, wood decks, C-metal coverings, air conditioning units, window screens, and all other items around the home for you. It takes a trained eye to perform such a thorough assessment, and that's what we're here to do. After completion of your 5-point hail inspection, your field associate will put together a detailed report. Many times they'll provide you with in-depth photographs for your review so that you may see firsthand what we do when performing an inspection. In the event that your home is damaged by hail, you'll want to fill out an agreement form with your field associate so they may assist you with your insurance claims process and in the coordination of making your repairs. It has been our experience that many folks have never even filed an insurance claim before. Dealing with an insurance company regarding a claim can be a tricky process. However, with the proper guidance from your trained field associate, this process can be made quite simple. We have broken this process down into 3 simple steps. The first of our 3 simple steps is to call your insurance company and file a claim for hail damage resulting from the most recent storms. It is important to know the storm date and to receive your claim number. Have any of your policy information with you prior to calling. Be sure to write down any pertinent information that you receive. Step 2 is to schedule an adjustment date so that your insurance representative will be able to come to your home and review your hail damage. It is very important to schedule a specific time to meet so that your field associate will be able to meet him at your home. Step 3 is to simply call your field associate with the time of your adjustment so that all parties can come together. If you have the name and phone number of your adjuster, please forward that information to us as well. The adjustment process is designed to allow the insurance company and your contractor the opportunity to assess damages to your home from the hailstorm. When the adjuster and your field representative arrive, they will begin looking at your home's roof, siding, gutters, and other items that were damaged by the hail. Once the scope of the damage is agreed upon, measurements will be taken so that estimates can be prepared. It is important to note that we take great pride in performing all of our repairs at insurance agreeable pricing. We will send our estimate immediately to your insurance adjuster for approval. Once the estimate costs are negotiated and agreed upon, paperwork will be sent to you along with your first payment, usually within 1 to 2 weeks of the date of the adjustment. This is a sample of what insurance paperwork and the first payment check looks like. Many times, if you have a mortgage on the home, the mortgage company may be listed alongside your name on the check. This is completely normal, and the mortgage company will need to properly endorse your first check before the payment can become valid. Normally, your first insurance check is just a partial payment. In an effort to protect the mortgage companies, insurance carriers will depreciate the amount of the first payment, making sure that homeowners have the repairs made. The depreciated amount is determined by the age and condition of the home. Let's take a look at an example involving a roofing and siding claim. The insurance paperwork you see shows a total claim loss, or RCV, in the amount of $18,038.74. Notice the depreciation that has been applied in the amount of $3,195.64. This leaves a balance of $14,843.10, also called ACV, which is the amount of the first payment. What is important to understand is that when your repairs are completed, we will send a certificate of completion to the insurance carrier. Only at that time will a final payment be made along with any supplements needed. This is very typical of how most insurance companies will handle payment. When all of the work is completed, all of your repairs will be paid in full via the 2-payment system with no out-of-pocket expenses for you other than a deductible. Now that you have your insurance paperwork and first payment, it's time to get together with your field associate and schedule your repairs and select the colors and materials you wish to be used. Our company has united with many of the premium manufacturers of top quality roofing and siding products available today. When selecting your roofing materials, there are many different styles and colors to choose from. An entry-level shingle is the 25-year 3-tab by Tamco. This excellent shingle is the most common shingle used over the past several decades and can be seen on many of your neighbors' homes in your area. This shingle comes in many different colors and carries a 25-year warranty. A newer brand of roofing shingle available is the architectural or laminated shingle. Also known as dimensional for its unique appearance, this shingling system carries a 30, 40, or even 50-year warranty and comes in a wide array of colors and styles to match your home's exterior. This remarkable shingle is available through Elk Products and is usually only slightly more expensive than the basic 25-year 3-tab. Other types of roof coverings include Blue Label cedar shakes and shingles, premium Vermont slate, tile, and sea metal. Again, only premium products are used as construction materials by our installers. Feel free to discuss these and other types of roofing materials with your field associate. When choosing a siding product, look no further than top quality vinyl siding by Crane, the national leader and originator of vinyl siding products. Crane siding products are available in many different styles and colors. Common product lines such as American Dream and Market Square are leaders in their field for durability and appearance. Crane's line of Premium Point and Carolina Sands give your home a customized look of your choosing. The Crane family of products would not be complete without their patented solid core siding system with foam backer. This unique product protects and insulates your home better than any product on the market today. We encourage you to talk with your field associate for more details about Crane's terrific line of products. As with choosing your new roof or siding to be used in making your repairs, building materials come in a wide array of colors and styles. Whether it be a matching gutter system, bay window, seam metal, or paint, our field associate is always there to assist you. Please remember that we will be with you every step of the way. We will have your home looking as good as new and better than ever. Work to fix your hail damage can usually begin within 3 weeks once your file and deposit have been turned into our office. During this time, your project will be assigned a file and a job number to be tracked through our system. Our dedicated office staff diligently works to gather the local permits needed to order the materials necessary to begin work on your home. Your project file is reviewed thoroughly and then assigned out to one of our many talented installation crews. When your city permits are approved and received, you will receive a phone call from one of our production managers letting you know when the roofing materials will be delivered to your home. Within 48 hours of the material delivery, our installation crew will begin replacing your roof. All of this, of course, is dependent upon good weather. The roofing portion of your hail damage repairs is always the first to be done. Once complete, the siding, gutters, and other trade items will be done in order. Before construction begins, our crew will prepare your residence for roof replacement by protecting your landscaping and your home's exterior from debris where necessary. We begin by tearing off the damaged shingles and inspecting the underlying wood decking. If any decking issues are found, for example rotted wood, we'll notify you and discuss what action needs to be taken. New felt water barrier will then be installed, followed by new courses of your selected shingle. Your new roof system includes all new valleys, vents, plumbing stacks, and flashings, all installed in accordance with the most stringent NRCA guidelines. Your new roof system will be better than it was originally. The construction of your new roof system generally takes between 3 and 5 days, depending on the size of your home. When complete, a thorough cleanup is performed to pick up any leftover debris, and we even search the yard with a magnet roller to pick up any stray nails. As a company, we take great pride in our ability to leave your property as clean as possible. After all other items, if necessary, such as siding or gutters, are completed, a thorough inspection will be performed by one of our qualified home inspectors. We make sure that quality workmanship is maintained and that your project lives up to the high standards and terrific warranty program that makes our company great. Well, this concludes our interactive presentation. We thank you for spending your time with us, and we hope that the information you gathered here is most helpful. Following this video, there is a section entitled FAQs, which can be used to answer any of your questions. From all of us here at Abelard Construction, we look forward to serving you best. And as always, we're with you every step of the way.